Hola, buenas. Today we're off to Spain. My son Jack has just returned from Spain, and while he was there, he ate some absolutely wonderful food in different regions, and he had the most fantastic tapas you can imagine. You think tapas is just giving away little tiny bits. It's wonderful food. You can have it anywhere, anytime after lunch, and you get good tapas. We are doing Michelin star inspired tapas. He's tried it, he showed me how to do it, and that's what we're doing. Follow along and we'll see you soon. Okay, let's get into it. First, start by taking a stick of bread and cut a slice about 1/2 inch thick. Leave this to one side and save it for later. Now, cut some chorizo into small bite-sized pieces. If you need to, like me, peel off the skin before you fry it. Fry the chorizo until it's crispy in texture. I literally just fry the chorizo without oil or butter, and there's enough moisture inside the meat for it not to burn. Once this is done, stick it to one side as you'll need it very soon. On to the final stage. Fry a small quail egg. I use a chef's ring to keep my egg uniform. For assembly, add the egg onto the bread and on top with 1 or 2 pieces of chorizo. For the next tapa, take a white mushroom and remove the stem. Clean up the mushroom to get rid of any unwanted dirt. Finely chop the stem of the mushroom, add some jamon, parsley and garlic. These ingredients are going to be the filling for the mushroom. With a nice hot pan, add your diced ingredients and cook until golden brown. Put your mushroom with the opening face down and also fry it until it's golden brown. Remove the other ingredients and fry off the other side of the mushroom. Finish the dish by adding your fried filling into your mushroom. I like to lightly garnish it with black pepper. Our last tapa involves large king prawns and Doritos. Shell your prawns and get rid of any of the nasty bits. Now, crush some Doritos in a pestle and mortar until it's a nice consistency. The Doritos are going to be used to coat the prawns later. Add 3 prawns to a skewer. This is 1 serving. They're also cooked on the skewer. Brush with egg white and coat evenly. Before adding your Dorito mixture, also coat evenly as you can. Lastly, fry it off until it's golden brown and then enjoy. Muy bien, listo. Okay, here we have it, a lovely Spanish tapas dish. We've got 3 ingredients on here. We've got some bread, we've got some fried chorizo and a lovely quail egg. In the middle, we've got some prawns that are coated in Dorito, and these are just plain Dorito. And then at the end, we've got a mushroom that's got jamon and parsley and garlic. And I think you'll agree that these look really nice. Going to eat them in a minute, not on camera because I'll make a mess. I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and we'll be back again with lots more tapas because we really enjoyed making this. Jack was really lucky to visit a place in Spain called Logroño, and he went to a Michelin style restaurant there where he was treated to this lovely dish. I'm going to taste it in a moment and I'll give you my opinion next week. We're going to do lots more tapas recipes because they're really good. See you again soon. Thanks Jack for coming back and filming and doing all the edit for this lovely video. See you all again soon. Bye.